Instead of freeze-dryer machine, hot air circulation makes it possible to make delicious yogurt, jerky, dried fruit, and so on. Compared with a freeze-dryer machine, this dehydrator can make more delicious food in less time. Designed in California. Comes with 6 stainless steel trays, 1 mesh screen, 1 fruit roll sheet, 1 manual, and 1 recipe. Dehydrated foods keep all their flavor and can be stored for longer. Search for C267-2MS or C267-FR to get more accessories. Stainless steel. Made with food-grade stainless steel and glass front door. This dehydrator is perfect for making healthy beef jerky, snacks, fruit leathers, dog treats, breadcrumbs, yogurt, and for preserving herbs, flours, and much more. Easy to use. Use the digital control panel to set the timer in 30-minute increments for up to 48 hours. Make average-sized batches of dried foods with accurate temperatures between 95–165 F. Refer to 50 recipes designed for beginners by COSORI Chef's Team. Quiet to use. Simply press the start button to dehydrate your food and go to sleep. The noise is less than 48 decibels, which equals noise levels recorded in the library. Safe to use. Tray liners are BPA-free. Auto shutoff kicks in right when the timer ends. Overheat protection will activate if the dehydrator overheats. 0.120 volt, 600 watt. Please note that this voltage only applies to USA and Canada. Easy to store clean. The 6 trays are dishwasher safe and tray liners can be washed on the top rack of your dishwasher if you remove them before the drying cycle. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect machine with a reasonable price. This is the perfect machine for me. I read a lot about dehydrators before buying and I am so glad I purchased this one. It is lightweight stainless. It has 6 shelves with a timer and is so quiet. It has a clear door on front so you can see what's happening. I've made jerky in it and the 6 shelves is a sufficient size for 3½ to 4 pounds of meat. You can control the temperature and time and it has all the features I wanted. I am so happy with this product. I read about Excalibur but my refrain from buying was the noise I read in reviews. That was important and this one is so quiet you don't always hear it. It also cleans up great and doesn't give off strong smells or retain them after cleaning. I just love this machine and I would recommend it to anyone that is looking for a good reliable dehydrator.